LDAP is an example of what? Well, if I tell you the definition of the acronym, it's going to give away the answer. So I'm not going to do that yet. But LDAP, it's for going through files. I'm just going to tell you that and leave it there for now. We'll go over the acronym in a second. But now that we know it's going through files, it's not going to be for authentication because, well, even though you sometimes need authentication to go through files, it's not the sole purpose of LDAP. And then we have address resolution protocol. Well, address resolution protocol, that's more for when you have a MAC address for something and you're trying to find the IP address for it. The address resolution protocol, if you have the MAC address, will give you the IP address for that. So that's totally different. And then we have, well, there's file exchange protocol. That makes me think of FTP, and that is definitely not an example of going through files. File exchange protocol is like FTP is an example of sending files. So the last one is Directory Access Protocol, and actually LDAP stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, and it's specifically designed for accessing and managing directories. So it provides a central database that stores information on users, computers, and anything really that belongs on a network, resources like printers, for example. It provides a standard way to query, update, and authenticate against the directories you're looking at. So LDAP is an example of a lightweight directory access protocol.